The new smart plug-and-play wiring harness from 4Drive Supacentre makes installing your LED driving lights or light bar easier than ever before. It comes with everything you need to install and power up your lights in no time. First, lay out the wiring harness and route it so it avoids any moving or hot parts. Then it's time to start fitting it all properly. The best part about this harness is it doesn't matter how your vehicle is wired. Thanks to the smart electronics, it'll work first time. So unplug your headlight harness, choose the correct adapter and plug it in line. This way your driving lights will only work when the high beams are on. The piggyback adapter plugs into this white plug on the harness, which leads to the relay. You'll need to select a location to mount your relay so that your main power leads can reach the battery, but don't connect those until last to avoid anything shorting out. After that, you can run the main wires that run to your driving lights. This smart harness comes with a 1:2 adapter, so you can use it for a single light bar or a pair of driving lights. Too easy. Just connect the waterproof Deutsch plug and then plug in your lights. Next, note which of the wires are positioned where on the switch and then unplug it so you can feed those wires through your firewall and reconnect them inside the vehicle. Choose a suitable location and mount the switch. Back under the bonnet, the last thing to do is check all your wiring is neat and tidy, and then connect the main positive and negative wires. Because the connectors are a split ring design, you can slightly loosen the terminals rather than take them off entirely, which means your vehicle won't reset. Tighten up your terminals and you're done. This has to be the easiest and most cost-effective way to set up your driving lights. You get a professional finish without the professional price tag.